Congratulations, everybody. We made it to Friday again. Toast. Really? You stopped clapping that soon? Terrible. Anyway, so welcome to Friday. This is our weekly review of exactly how I'm using my account to fund my retirement. So sit back, enjoy the ride. I'm going to start by saying that this week was really not a good week starting out. I know everybody was seeing red all week long until our buddy Powell spoke today, but you know what? We made it to Friday. That's all that matters. So let's get into this review. So week of April, my goodness, August 22nd, 2025. Do need to remind you that I am not a financial advisor. All the content in this channel, well, not this channel, but in this video is educational and for entertainment purposes. You should consult to a financial advisor for any of your financial needs. Again, I am just some guy on the internet. Actually, I am just a boring old guy on the internet, and I am here to walk you through what I am doing to build my retirement income using my accounts. So this is exactly what I'm doing. So I hope you absolutely enjoy what we're doing. So first, let's talk about last week. So last week, if you remember, we closed out our losing trade in Robinhood. We freed up some money so that way I could actively trade and fund an ETF on there. We purchased the Round Hill MicroStrategy's weekly payer in Robinhood, so that is in there. For the entire week, at a total of $349.21 in distributions. That gave us a total balance in our account of $36,718. There's some change there too, but that is basically what it is. This $349 does include the ULTY and the YMAX that was that paid on Saturday. Same thing is going to happen this week. I'll tell you about that a little bit later in the video. So please pay attention. By the way, if you haven't, just so you know, if you haven't yet, if you like these videos, like what I'm doing, how I'm going over things, would love the comments. Please tell me if you like it, if you want to see something else, you want to see something different. I thoroughly enjoy this because this is probably the best I've ever done in my account ever. And so I'm having a good time sharing it. So please tell me in the comments. I hope you also like and subscribe as well. And you can also always follow me on Blossom as well. And those links are all going to be in the bottom. And of course, yes, you can buy me a beer as well. That link is in there. Yes, this is sparkling in a wine glass. But you know what? Screw it. It's Friday. All right. So let's get back to this. All right. So holdings last week. So this is what I had, everything holding. The only thing new was the MicroStrategies in Robinhood. So it's really, really low. Yes, the ULTY and YMAX and E-Trade, they are being dripped. Those are the only ones that I can drip. Anything you see decimal here, those are the only ones I'm being allowed to drip. So here's our Saturday. So Saturday, ULTY paid us $26.59. It was up. YMAX was down. That's yield max. That was down a little bit. Both of them were dripped. So there's our totals right there for everything that was dripped. So Monday we came in. The markets look really good. There is a video. If you have not seen the video, and I know a lot of you people here who are watching this video have not seen the video, there's a video link right here to the video I did yesterday, or put out yesterday, Wednesday. I put it out. That really talks about the trades, this trade and the next trade. In detail, seeing exactly what I did and how I got in and out of it. If you like those, please let me know. I'll keep going on those. Just maybe not 2 trades, but maybe one, just kind of diagnose it and tell you what I did. So we day traded Riot, got a total of 181.58 gain. We plowed 90.50 back into MicroStrategies with Round Hill, leaving the rest to grow the account. So fantastic. Again, there's that video. Click on it. Go take a look at it. On Tuesday, so not a lot happened on Tuesday. I had to go down to Mom's, drove down Monday night to Mom's house, picked her up. Oh, not picked her up, but stayed overnight. Took her to the doctor on Tuesday, so not a lot of stuff was going on. Took her back and then drove back home on a Tuesday night. Went back to work on Wednesday. It's not a lot going on, so I couldn't do any training, couldn't watch anything. That was probably a good thing. But Tuesday, I also got paid. Yay! I got my first MicroStrategies, $1.86. My first one. Every bit of it was dripped right back in. So you know, it doesn't have anything to do with the amount. The only thing that matters is that you're doing it, and you need to start. No matter how small you're starting, you just need to start. The sooner you start, the better. Start small, and everything will grow big over time. Just start. That's all you got to do. So that was Tuesday. So Wednesday is always our big payday. Boom, big payday. So the W's, of course, those are the round hills and VYY. I believe that is yield max. So everything was up this week. Not going to be up next week just because there was so much red this week with everything. Of course, this is Coin, Robinhood, Nvidia, and Palantir. Didn't perform very well this week. They did today, but for a whole, as a whole, they didn't perform very well this week. So next week, all of these will be down. So that's what we got. And this is how we rolled everything back into everything. So again, into everything, and then I had change left over. So I sent that into the actually Nvidia and Palantir. Those are in my Roth. These two are not my Roth. What was left over from these two, I piled that into ULTY. So that was like $22 because it was really, really low. So that's what I did. Also on Wednesday, we had another trade, UVXY. Everything else was not really doing anything. UVXY, wow, I did really good on that one. So we got additional $217. Bought 108 of our micro strategies. So that was another 3 and left the remaining in there. Thursday, absolutely nothing was going on, so didn't do anything. But Friday, we got paid again. Yay! So our Ethereum was up, which was fantastic. Coney was the very first one I ever got. Everybody was disappointed about this. I wasn't, because it was the first one I ever got, so I had nothing to compare it by. But that's okay. So I'm happy with that. ULTY was down by like 15 cents. It was barely down. So it was down a little bit, and then the YMAX was up. All right, so there was Friday. So what we did with that, in my Citibank, the ones that are in my Citibank, I put $140 towards my credit card, using house money to pay down my credit card. I'm not using my money. I'm using house money. Then here's what we reinvested all of these back in there. Now, this is all based on what I got paid on the other ones. That's how everything got reinvested. Tomorrow, like I said, tomorrow is probably when I'm going to get paid for the ULTY and the YMAX in E-Trade. It's really weird. It showed up in my account Saturday morning last week, and then when I looked at it today to see what the date was, it said Friday, but it didn't show up until Saturday. So this is going to show up Saturday. This is my estimated of what we're getting for ULTY and YMAX this week. ULTY was up, YMAX was down, but we're okay. I'm okay with that. So at least we're making money. Also on Friday, today, with the Fed speech today, I actually can't believe I actually listened to the speech at work. I just wanted to hear what he was saying and all that fun stuff. I got in a little late, but still listened to it and got to see the market take off, which is kind of cool. It's always fun to watch that. So I actually got into Bitminer this morning and knocked it out of the park. I got a $300 gain this week on Bitminer. So Bitminer is now a standard on my watch list. I'll be watching that one and be trading Bitminer a lot more. So fantastic. We're able to purchase another 4 of our micro strategies. So summarize our Robinhood, 3 trades, added $711. Half of that went to micro strategies. None of it, absolutely none of it, zip, zero, none out of my pocket, all playing with house money. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Again, check out that other video on the first 2 trades, right, and UVXY. I think you'll like them if you like trading. So let's talk about next week. Our next week's payouts. These are estimated for next week. Coin is down. Everything's down. Everything's down. MicroStrategies is up only because of the fact that I bought a bunch more. So naturally it's going to be up. It is actually down. It was $1 something this week, and it's only like 50 cents next week. So it's actually down technically, but for me it's up because of the fact that I bought more. So everything's down next week. Again, we already know why. Bad week. It was a rough week for everybody. So our end of the week balances, Citibank, we're sitting at 11, E-Trade 17, Robinhood 8,200, current balance 37, 12,000 off our $5,000 goal. Now this is where it really starts to get really interesting, because so keep this 37,000 in mind. Keep that 37,000 in mind. So we're going to talk about the distance to the $100,000 in passive income. So for the week, Citibank gave us 113. E-Trade gave us 410. Robinhood, $1.86. For the month, 594 and 916. This 594 actually includes our Coney. So we got 163. Actually, you know what? Now that I'm thinking about this, I'm not 100% certain that this includes my Coney. I think we need to look at that. Kids. Let's see here. Pull up my spreadsheet here real quick so you guys can see it. Here's my spreadsheet. I'm not 100% certain that includes it. Yeah, 594. Yep, that's correct. Okay, I was correct. For some reason, I didn't think it included it. Anyway, so 594 for the month for Citibank, 916 and 186. That's pretty darn cool. So $37,000 that I have in my account on a weekly basis is paying me over $500 on a weekly basis. $37,000 in my account is paying me, what's 5 plus 9, 14, $1,500 and change a month. $3,700 is paying me $1,500 a month. That is awesome. So when we estimate it, Citibank for the year, 75, E-Trade 17, Robinhood, woohoo, $97. Total forecast for the year. If nothing changes. If everything stays exactly the way it is today, that's what's going to happen. Up and down just a little bit. But we know that's not going to happen because we're using the most powerful force in the universe, which is, come on, compounded interest. That is correct. And compounding our earnings back into it, and it skyrockets up. So that is what is making us successful. So you may be asking yourself, how did he come up with those numbers? I want to know exactly his math. What is he doing to do this? So here's my math. Spreadsheet, of course. Yes. Okay, so here's my spreadsheet. You will see that, well, first off, I'm using a weekly average times 52 weeks. Gives us an estimated annual income. I don't have a lot of history yet. It only goes back to 11th of July. And so you see these big gaps in here. So for E-Trade, I only have 2 weeks of data. Citibank, I have a complete month of data. So I can get a better complete picture of Citibank than I can of E-Trade. So 2 weeks here, total those all up. Gave us a weekly average. We multiplied it times 52 weeks. That gives us the estimated amount. Same thing with Citibank. The only difference is here is 4. So those 4 divided by 4. And then times 52. But then we also need to take this monthly here. It's every 4 weeks. And actually, I shorted myself. So it's every 4 weeks. I actually did that times 12. So there's actually probably a couple more in there. So that times 12 plus that 52 weeks gives us the annual estimated income. So that is how we came up with this number. So now I know this 7,000 is too low. So I need to add a little bit more into that. But I'm not worried about it for this video. So that's how I came up with it. So here's how we're sitting for the rest of this year, or for 1 year out. From this point forward, this is a year out. This is what we're looking at. Super excited. I think I had an absolutely wonderful week. This week, when you take in the trading and you take in the distributions that came in, we were over $2,000 in income this week. Trading and distributions. I've never had a $2,000 week ever. It was $1,000 week first, but then it was a $2,000 week. So absolutely fantastic. Have some cool stuff going for next week. One is the Google from Roundhill. I saw something from somebody else today, and I went ahead and jumped in and tried something. So we'll see how it plays out. Hopefully we'll do a quick video of that. Check out the other videos. And if you haven't already liked and subscribed, please like and subscribe. Please comment. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. And we'll see you next week. Have a fantastic weekend. It is the weekend. Cheers. Not a red weekend. It's going to be a green weekend for everybody. Have a good one. Thanks, everybody. Cheers. What? You're not going to applaud? There you go. That's very